Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday, September the 26th, 2023. We have here two regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the binary puzzle 12 by 12 and the killer Sudoku. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you the extra puzzles. The letter Sudoku, the 2 stars. This one should be a 3-star Sudoku. We have also a 4-star Sudoku. 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. And the last puzzle I will do is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve in the evening. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Well, it's the news of today. Well, not so good news, because next year we have here our health insurance will increase, and it will be increased to 149 euros in a month. So if you have additional services with the healthcare, like for your teeth, then you will pay more. Average will be 200 euro a month. So it's a lot for health insurance. Not pleased with this news. Alright. Let me see. Where's my pencil? Yes. Let me start with the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 7161. 7161. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 38 printed digits, and it's a 10 by 10. Yeah. Nope, correction, 12 by 12. 12 by 12, that means in a row or in a column there are always 6 O's and 6 1's. Alright, so let's get started. A lot of double O's. Double O, here one, there one. 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 Now the double ones. Double one, here no, there no. 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 Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. And now, between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Ambulance, yeah, ambulance. Between 2 ones comes in O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Between 2 ones comes in O, double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 ones comes in O. Double O, here one, there one. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O, sixth O. So that box should be a 1. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Let me see. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, between two ones comes an O. Now we have 6 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So the rest are O's. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where's the opening? Here. Double one. Here no, there no. Double O. Here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O. Here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are ones. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Oh, double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Need a 6 there. Well, you need to compare, I believe. Yeah, we need to compare. No. Overlook this double O. Double O here, one, there, one. Between the ones comes an O. Double O here, one, there, one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I need to place the 6th O there in one of these 3 boxes. Otherwise, if I place that O here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this should be a 1 then. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. If I place number 6 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a no between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes. Between there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O, sixth O. So this box should be a 1. And we have here O and a 1 here with 2 empty boxes. Between there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, and sixth one. So that box should be an O. Double O here, one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4, 5. Need a 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 anti-box between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. So the sixth one should be in one of these 3 boxes. If I place the 1 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of row, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, correct. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, and I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. First, we have here the first one, first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O, and sixth O. So that box should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1's comes in O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are 1's. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, I need to compare now. The question is 2, 3. We have 4 columns. We have 3, 4, 5 rows. Which row? Which column? 1101. Which one? Here. Yeah. 1101. Double O. Double O. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Need to find the column. Well. This column and that column. Let me compare. 1 empty box, 1 empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have O here, this should be a 1. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1s, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1s, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1s, so the rest are O's. And we have here between 2 O's comes in 1, between 2 1's comes in O. Finished in 14 minutes. Wow, with one time comparing, but we solve it again, and I like this one. So we do think so, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, the killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.